as we said, your objectives need to be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timeliness. Okay. So we need to raise more money. That is not a SMART goal. So SMART goal is we want to raise $5 million to set up a fund to create 20 graduate scholarship by October 2017. So why is it SMART? Because it's specific. Measurable because it has an amount, 5 million or 20 graduate scholarship. Time bound by October 2017. Realistic and achievable, we are not sure. But if we assume is realistic and achievable, because they might have discussed with it, right? So, and you can have more than one objectives at the same time. You may want to raise the money also, and you may have 20 graduate students. So you are hitting two birds from one stone. So you are targeting two objectives, right? Yeah. So it has a time, it has a specific, measurable, and achievable and realistic. We assume. So the next was audience, right? Consider your audience carefully. Who is going to be my audience? Are we talking to the right people or not? Yeah. Instead of just creating a message without understanding the customer profiles. Maybe your target customer is Chinese and you are sending the message in Japanese. So nobody will read it because they don't understand, right? And so in this case, we need to know two things. First is, who is the success for our key holders or success failures? Means who is the real client? Plus who are the influencers of those clients? So in an example, let's say when a school is going to do the advertisement, who are the key holders, key holders in the school students? When you make a decision, not the adults. Let's say you attended the GBS, right? So who holds the key to success or failure of the business school? Students or the companies who pay the fees? So who is the target audience of GBS? Who should be the target audience of GBS?
Students.
Huh? Students or the companies?
I think for some, just some company they sponsorship.
It depends on the target what GBS want to achieve. If they want more corporate sponsorships, then the key is corporate sponsor, the people, the companies, right? Board of directors. If the students are sponsoring themselves, then it's the student itself. And who are the influencers of these people? So who influence their decision? What influence the choice? There are so many business schools here. So why you would choose GBS only? What did influence you? Who did influence you? Where did you learn? And why you make that decision? Why you choose? Is it somebody else, or some faculty told you, or your corporate company told you, or your previous students told you? So how did you make your decision?
For me, when I look at my interest, I look at the degree, the subject they offer. Actually, in Myanmar market, there is no international relations major that offer in English. So I try to look at. I try to do a lot of research about the.
So, but finally, what convinced you?
And finally convinced me is about the GBS and the quality of the education.
Yeah, but
and also the flexibility of the class.
So you make your decision by yourself.
Yes.
You did not ask anybody for reference.
I didn't ask, but I just do a lot of research. I compare different kinds of schools, which are the best.
Okay, so you did your research by yourself.
Yeah.
So you did not get influence, and you?
For me, actually, I was looking for the hospital management BA. So I found in two schools, GBS and another Star Academy. So I read the review, some review, and then I just understand.
Review by who? Review by previous students.
Yeah.
So your influencer is the previous students.
Yes.
that makes your decision easier, right?
Yes.
Everybody actually
Just
now,
compare the
yeah.
review.
So you compare the review
and
means,
then the plan, the payment plan, everything.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they negotiate. So
yeah.
I guess that.
So that is actually the influencer. Means your influencer are, so if let's say student, now school understands that you are making your decision based on the review
Yes.
of previous students. So the students now, your target, who hold the key to success is your actual student, not the corporate sponsor, because you are the one who is going to make the decision where you want to study and how much will be the fees, right? Corporate companies are normally not selecting the school, they just offer, okay, you go and read with this institute. Influencer are the previous students who might be having a review system. So what if company GBS want to get a positive word out? They need to get students review, right?
Yes.
So they need to influence the students. They need to have a communication strategy with the existing students
Yeah.
to write reviews, positive reviews,
Yes.
not negative reviews.
Mostly not only the GBS, most business just like mine, our travel agency fee. So I think customer reading the review, it's very effective.
Yeah, some companies they do with the customers.
That's
Some
why we
companies,
also
yeah.
never trust their advertisement.
Yeah.
So I reading the reviews.
So every demographic or every customer has different review system, different feedbacks, different influencing. Some people's they look at the reviews by other people's. Some people they just get influenced by the advertisement.
Yes.
Some people they ask their friends or families
Yes.
or the previous students personally.
And then as for me, everything is good.
Yeah.
Never trust it.
Yeah, and some people may want to trust the journalist, maybe the
Yeah.
newspaper advertisement or the other business key influencers in the market. There are influencers nowadays in the market, right?
Yeah.
Role models. So
Yeah.
they
Influencer.
influencer is also helping them to make decisions. So the companies need to understand who are the influencers in their particular area, and then have a communication strategy to talk to them as well, not only directly to the customer, also the influencer, because that makes a big difference. And also don't forget the internal audience, students, colleagues in your department or college or peoples in your division, internal customers, that is also important. Okay, categorize your audience in relation to the situation.